We have to find the reciprocal of the mixed numbers this time. Anytime you want to find the reciprocal of the mixed number, you have to convert mixed number to improper fraction by simply multiplying denominator by the whole number. 7 times 7 is 49, and the result of this multiplication you have to add to the numerator. So I have 49 plus 2 is 51 over 7. If you want to find the reciprocal of it, you have to replace numerator by the denominator and denominator by the numerator. So I'm going to simply write 7 over 51. 7 and 51 doesn't have common factor which is going to reduce this fraction. Okay, so this is going to be my answer. Okay, now let's check another one. Again, we have mixed number. I'm going to multiply 5 times 11. Okay, this multiplication, and add to the numerator, which is 2. 5 times 11 is 55, plus 2 is going to give me 57. 57 over 5. Okay, this is the improper fraction. If I want to find the reciprocal of it, I simply write 5 over 57. Again, I have nothing to reduce. 5 and 57 doesn't have a common factor which would reduce these two numbers. That's why this is my answer for this particular problem. Now let's check another one. Again, I have to convert the mixed number to the improper fraction by multiplying 2 by 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. I have 9 over 2. If I want to find the reciprocal of it, this is 2 over 9. Again, I cannot reduce anything, so this is going to be my answer. The last one, I have 4 times 9 is 36, plus 3 is 39. 39 over 4. If you want to find the reciprocal, this is 4 over 39. Again, I cannot reduce anything. That's why this is my answer.